Welcome to Claritysoft. In this video, I will show you how to use the calendar privacy feature within Claritysoft. The calendar privacy feature allows users to create new meetings within Outlook, which will appear as private meetings within Claritysoft. The privacy feature extends beyond just meetings. The privacy feature also allows users to mark contacts and tasks as private as well. These contacts or tasks will not appear in Claritysoft, only in Outlook after syncing. The task subjects for the private meetings will be shown as unavailable. Now I will show you how to use this new functionality. I will create a meeting, a task, and a contact in Outlook and mark them each as private. And then I will open Claritysoft to show you that these items do not appear in Claritysoft if they are marked private. Only the meeting will appear in Claritysoft, but the details will not be listed. It will just block off the period of time for that meeting. So we'll begin by opening up Outlook. So we're going to come down here. We're going to open up Outlook. And the first thing I want to do is I'm going to come to Calendar. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a theoretical meeting. I'm just going to make up a time in a meeting. So what you want to do is you want to come up to Meeting, and you're going to select Meeting. And then it's going to ask you who you want to send it to. I'm just going to make up an email and send it to them. Okay, and I'm going to make the subject just private meeting. And then my location will be my office is fine. And then what you want to do to make this meeting private is go up to the upper right hand corner. Let me make this full screen so you can see it. You'll see something that says private. You'll click this, it will highlight it, and then what you'll do is you'll click send. Then it's going to create a private meeting. So we're going to click send. As you can see, it showed up on our calendar right here for December 3rd at 12 p.m. as we have specified, and it says private meeting. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a task and also a contact, and then I will open up Claritysoft and show you that only the meeting will appear in Claritysoft, and it's not going to give you any details other than just saying that that period of time is specified or designated for that meeting. So we'll come over down here. We're going to go to Task, and we're going to come up here to New Task, and we're going to create a new task, and we'll just call it Test Private Task. And then we'll just make the start date, we'll make it the 3rd as well. That's fine. And then we're going to come up here once again, select private, because we want to make it private. And then we're going to come down here and select save and close. Alright, so now that we've done that, the last thing we need to do is we need to come to contacts, and we're going to create a contact real quick. So you come up here to, it says new contact. And we're just going to name this contact, we'll just call it Jeff's private contact. How about that? Okay. And then you want to come down to email, and you're going to want to give this an email. So we'll just give it the same email as we did before, this Jeff at Clarity, this email I made up. And then what you want to do is you want to come up to the upper right hand corner once again, select private, and this will mark the item as private. And then you're going to select save and close. Okay. And so now what you want to do is you want to go back into Claritysoft. So we're going to open Claritysoft back up. And what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to Tools. And we're going to come down to where it says Synchronize with Mail System. We're going to select this, and then we're going to select Start. And in the bottom right-hand corner, you can see that it's working. Okay, refreshing. And then it says Successfully Completed. Okay. And then what we'll do is we will close. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check and make sure that both the task and the contact did not come through, and we're also going to see if the meeting that we've just created is in our calendar. So we put the meeting at 12 p.m., so let's scroll down. And as you can see, the meeting's in here. If we were to double click it, you can see it says unavailable. It doesn't give you any information about this particular meeting. It just lets you know that you have a meeting scheduled for this time period, which is good. So then, therefore, it's still private. What we'll do now is we're going to go to Activities. And then we'll do all activities. Okay, and then we'll apply. And then let's look here. Let's see if we can find the meeting. Let's put it in order real fast. And I don't see the task, which is good. Okay, and now the last thing we'll do is we'll go to Contacts, and we're going to search for Jeff's private contact and see if that's in there. And as you can see, there's no contact in here for Jeff's private contact. I just typed the first word here just to see if it would come up, and we didn't get anything, so that shows you that it works. So now I have demonstrated how to use the calendar privacy feature within Claritysoft. I'd like to thank you for listening.